A2Z Expo of Money Matters. This is the secondary division that we are talking about. And we have A to Z concepts for you. We have audit. Hi. Talking about audit. Very good. And when did you learn about audit? All different types of audit. How much time did you take to make all this? 1 to 2 days. And how much time did you take to prepare all of it? 1 week at least. Very good. And then we have bad debt. Wow.
Do you need explanation?
You want to give me explanation? Answer one question of mine. When you look at bad debts, are there some good debts as well?
Yes. There are some good debts which you can invest in, which you can use your debts to invest in and earn profits. For example, stocks. If you have information about stocks, if you have,
And why did you take bad debt as a topic then?
well, because bad debts, I already had information about bad debts because first we were given few, but I already had a lot of information about bad debts since I was reading books about financial literacy.
So you took this as a
So I took from that and I told Mr. Smith for so we have taken bad debts.
Good. How about you?
Sir,
How was your experience doing all this?
सर इट वॉज वेरी वेल और अगर हम इसे हिंदी में बोले तो हम इसे पूरे कर्ज भी बोलते हैं इसका वक्त के साथ है ना पैसे का जो ये
Value
वैल्यू
है,
होता है वो
कम
कम
होता
होता
है।
जाता है और इसे हम ऐशो आराम और ऐशो आराम के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं सर थैंक यू सर
Thank
सर योर
you.
फीडबैक
Feedback though. Right. Give a signature, give a feedback. C is for capital gains, D is for digital wallet. Such important concepts which even children nowadays, 5th, 6th standard, 8th standard are learning. When you look at capital gains, what investment makes money and how much money did you make out of it. When you look at digital wallets, almost everybody is using it now. Earning per share, that's interesting. Let's talk to them. EPS, earning per share. So which share should I buy? Any suggestions? Give me an example. Any share that I should buy today. I'm ready to invest around a couple of thousand rupees, 10,000 rupees. 20 to 25 EPS. Those are the shares that we should buy. Any other criteria? Why is this criteria the most important criteria? यही criteria सबसे important क्यों है? True. So we buy shares for profit, or earning per share is profit. So जिस पे no, तो जितना ज़्यादा profit उतना बढ़िया share. Thank you. Hey, financial statements, balance sheet and income statement, cash flow as well.
Financial statements means a renewable debt convey of business activity and financial performance of a company. It is useful for the individual working in the office for decision of the price of the per share in that business.
इसको किसी से साइन करवाना पड़ता है क्या? Somebody has to sign it when they make it for a company. Who is the person who is authorized to sign financial statements? Who is the person who is authorized to sign financial statements? Balance sheet किसको साइन करना होता है? Who is authorized to sign it? उसके अलावा C से चालू होता है. C से चालू होता है. CA full form. The chartered accountant signs and verifies कि ये सही है कि गलत है. Authorizes it. Thank you. The goodwill hedging. इंसाफ का तराजू. This is money and this is risk. Is it?
Yes.
Why are we balancing it?
No, sir. If the risk is increased now, so our money would be lost. And sir, if the risk is decreased now, we have some time to think it and adjust our time, adjust our money, like we. Yes, sir.
So risk versus money or
Yes,
profit.
sir. Risk versus money.
Money or profit. So if the risk is high, So money
loss.
money could be lost.
And if the risk is no, we have some time.
Time to think about it.
Money can go in the risk.
Wonderful. Thank you. Inflation, evergreen, journal entries, and key performance indicator. Phone pay. So what are the indicators you're talking about? Thank you. How much time did you take to make all this? कितना समय लगा? 3 to 3 days. Very good. Mutual funds, net income, operating income, payroll, quantitative easing model. That's interesting. ROI, sovereign gold bonds, tax liability, and unsecured loans. Okay, you have a PPT plus this. दोनों मॉडल रेडी रखा है. Good. And why are we talking about unsecured loans? Why are we talking about unsecured loans? Why did you choose the topic?
Middle class family. They can't take secured loan from bank because of education.
They don't have assets.
They don't have assets to give to bank for security. Like if we don't repay the loan, like, can take us.
Can I get unsecured loans from any other place than banks?
Yeah, you can take unsecured loan from any other place from banks. Like you can take a loan from a lender or your friend. So it will be also considered.
Do
as
you
a-
give unsecured loans also to your friends? Do you give unsecured loans to your friends?
I give unsecured loans to my friends, but they don't repay.
You don't repay back? So sad, na? Parents then they pull your ears. क्यों दिया पैसे? They let it go. So do you count it as bad debts or donations? Donations. Interesting. Thank you. Hello, VCs. I'll take your VC.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I need some money. You'll provide money?
Venture capitalist.
Venture capitalist provides money. What do you look into a person when you provide money? क्या देखते हो qualities?
सबसे पहले उसके कंपनीज में ग्रोथ होना चाहिए, उसके कंपनी से बैकग्राउंड कैसा है,
Background कैसा है?
हाई पोटेंशियल होना चाहिए, आइडियाज दैट्स
Good यार. मेरे को लगा था आप लोग स्टार्टअप ओपन करोगे, आप तो वीसी बन गए डायरेक्ट. गुड गुड गुड. Congratulations. Nice meeting you. And then we have wholesale banking, Zeno currency, yield curve, and zero rate.